This video is a simple and quick guide on how to get WhatsApp payment feature on your phone. So there are two ways in which you can get the WhatsApp payment feature. First way is that you should have been signed up for WhatsApp beta tester. If not, then the second method is for you. First, make sure what your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Then ask anyone WhatsApp user who might be your friend or family with the WhatsApp payment feature already enabled to go to their chat window and click on the payment icon. Once done, go to your phone and then you will see the payment feature will be activated on your phone as well. You just need to add your bank account details, the one you used for your UPI. That's it guys with this video. If you like this video then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome content.